Hey everyone, today I'll show you two must-know skills. First, creating a simple logo design, and then a handy trick on how to curve text in Illustrator for polished professional results. Let's jump right in. Begin with a new artboard and pick the ellipse tool to create a simple circular base. Hold Shift to keep it perfectly round. Next, add geometric shapes like rectangles or triangles using the Shape Builder tool to combine or subtract them until you form a unique mark. Once your symbol is ready, choose a bold color palette. You can easily edit fills and strokes in the Properties panel. Finally, add your brand name with the Type tool. Pick a font that matches the style of your symbol, modern, playful, or elegant. Align everything neatly, and you've got a clean, professional logo. First, draw a circle with the ellipse tool. Select the Type on a Path tool, click on the circle's edge, and start typing your text. The text will automatically follow the curve. And that's it! You've learned a simple logo design Illustrator workflow, plus exactly how to curve text in Illustrator for a polished finish. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more Illustrator tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. See you next time.